Let's take this previous JEE Advanced question. It says let f r2r be a function defined by when x is not equal to 0, the function is x square into sine pi by x square, and when x is equal to 0, it is equal to 0. This is the function, then which of the following statement is true? We are checking the number of roots of the equation fx equal to 0 has infinitely many solution in this interval, no solution in this interval, set of solutions in the interval is finite, and this equation has more than 25 solution in this interval. So we are interested with the equation fx equal to 0, right? Fx equal to 0 in the different interval. Now if you see fx equal to 0, what about the roots of the equation? First of all, you see one root is already given in the question, that is x equal to 0, because for x equal to 0, fx is equal to 0. So of course one root is x equal to 0, but that is not in any one of the interval, right? So we need to consider the other case, that is x square into sine of pi upon x square. This should be equal to 0. What does it mean? X square cannot be equal to 0 because x is not equal to 0, right? That means sine pi by x square, this factor should be equal to 0. Sine pi by x square, this should be equal to 0. That will imply pi by x square should be integral multiple of pi, right? N pi. Pi by x square should be n pi, where n belongs to integer. So that means x square should be equal to 1 by n. So the solution will be of the form x equal to plus 1 by root n and minus 1 by root n. This will be the set of values of x, which is 1 by root of an integer. Okay, it can be plus 1 by root n or minus 1 by root n. But again, you see all the intervals are positive interval. So for the time being, we can neglect this solution. We can concentrate on this solution. 1 by root n, where n is of course a natural number in this case. And here n is not an integer. Here n should be a natural number, right? Because you see pi by x square, this is always going to be a positive value. So of course n pi must be a positive value. So n must be a natural number. Now first option is what? Fx equal to 0 has infinitely many solution in the interval 1 by 10 power 10 to infinity. So let us put the solution within this interval. So for first option, I will put the solution 1 by root n within the interval 1 by 10 power 10 and infinity. So that means root n will be lying between 1 by infinity tends to 0 and 1 by 10 power 10, 10 power 10, right? Now squaring all the side, you will get n should lie between 0 and 10 power 20. So n is lying between 0 and 10 power 20 and it is a natural number. So how many natural numbers are there between 0 and 10 power 20? We can count, right, that how many natural numbers are there. Yes, we can count how many natural numbers are there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 power 20 natural numbers. So that is a finite number of natural numbers are there. So finite number of solutions will be there. Right? So here it is saying infinitely many solutions, so this option is false. Second one is fx equal to 0 has no solution in the interval 1 by pi to infinity. So again let us put the solution 1 by root n within the given interval 1 by pi to infinity, and let us check. So root n will lie between 0 to pi. So squaring both sides, n should lie between 0 to pi square. N should lie between 0 to pi square. Pi square is approximately, we can take it as 9.8x, 9.8 something. So n is lying between 0 to 9.8 something. So and n is a natural number. So how many values of n are there? N can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 natural number values are possible. That means 9 solutions are possible. Okay, so here it is saying no solution is possible, so this option is also false. Option C, if you take the set of solutions of fx equal to 0 in the interval 0 to 1 by 10 power 10. Again, let us do the same thing. 1 by root n should lie between 0 open and 1 by 10 power 10 open. So root n should lie between, taking the reciprocal, 10 power 10 to infinity. So n should lie between 10 power 20 to infinity. So n is a natural number which lies between 10 power 20 to infinity. How many natural numbers are there? Infinite number of natural numbers are there, because this count is going to continue forever. So this option is saying the set of solution is finite. No, the set is infinite, because here infinite number of n values are there. That means infinite number of x values will be there. So this option is also false. So option D must be correct. Okay, anyway, let us verify option D once. That is, fx equal to 0 has more than 25 solution in the interval 1 by pi squared to 1 by pi. So let us put our solution 1 by root n between 1 by pi square to 1 by pi. If I put it within the interval, it's actually open interval. So let us make it strict inequality. So taking reciprocal, root n should lie between pi and pi square. Squaring both sides, n should lie between pi square and pi to the power 4. N should lie between pi square and pi to the power 4. And if you see the value, pi square is approximately 9.8x and pi to the power 4 will be approximately 97.4x, like that. So n is a natural number which lies between 9.8 to 97.4. That means there are how many natural numbers? 10 to 97. 10 to 97. N can be 10 to 97. So there are 88 natural numbers. So 88 solutions are there, and it is saying more than 25 solutions. So this is a correct option.